ASUS has introduced its new high-end smartphone, the Zenfone 6. The new handset is based on Qualcomm's top-of-the-range Snapdragon 855 SoC. And perhaps most interesting of all, a motorized 180 degrees flip-up camera module, featuring a huge Nano Edge 6.4-inch display, with a 92% screen-to-body ratio. The ASUS Zenfone 6 looks like one large screen, as it does not feature any notches or water drops. The LCD can cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Supports HDR10, a maximum brightness of 600 nits. ASUS Zenfone is a true full-screen phone. The 6.4-inch screen without any notches or punch holes pushes the limit of narrow frame. And big screen achieves 92% screen-to-body ratio. The industry-pioneering flip camera has 48 megapixel plus 13 megapixel dual lens. Breaks the boundary of rear camera and front camera. Enjoy high definition and wide angle in both selfie and scenery shooting. Latest 7nm process octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor makes it one of the most powerful Android smartphone.